Hello viewers, today I am going to make mushroom fried rice. I know it sounds a little boring, but I am going to put some nice vegetables and make it a little different than the usual kind of fried rice that we eat. And along with it, I am making one accompaniment, chili honey potatoes. So let's see how I make both the dishes and we'll get started now. We are going to cook the basmati rice, and I have just soaked the basmati rice for 30 minutes, and now I'm cooking in an open pan with double the amount of water. Now and we are going to cook it only 3/4, not fully done. So I'm just going to put a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now a lot of people ask me if I should be using the Ajinomoto, which is banned everywhere, but I'm using this China salt or Ajinomoto, which is made from either tapioca plant or sugarcane plant. So this is organic. So I'm just putting a pinch of this. If you don't get this, please avoid. Just covered it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. Look, the rice looks yummy. It is 3/4 done, not fully. So I'm just going to take it out. So the rice looks like this. I've just taken it out and we'll keep this aside. I've taken 1.5 tablespoon oil. Now my crucial step right now is I'm going to take some garlic and I like the flavor of burnt garlic. So I'm going to use 2 types of garlic. One is the burnt garlic. So I'll just put some garlic and I'm going to just make it golden brown in color. This color is done. I'm not going to overcook. I'm taking them out. Now with the same oil, we'll start the cooking. I'll take about 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Keep the flame on low. Then I'm going to put some mushrooms which I have chopped long, white perfect mushrooms I got today. So I'm putting some mushrooms, about 6 or 7 long cut. We'll cook the mushrooms on medium flame. Cover it just for 30 seconds. You see, the mushrooms are done. Done it on high flame and I just covered with the lid. I'm going to add the 3 bell peppers now, yellow, green and red. Cook it on a high flame. It already looks very colorful. Putting some 1 whistle boiled baby corns. Just put them in the cooker and give it 1 whistle, that's all. Cook it on a high flame, do not lower the flame. All the veggies have to be done on high flame. Two teaspoons of Szechuan sauce. 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. All the sauces in the description box. Half a teaspoon salt. I can add a little more, just half a teaspoon. I'm putting some spring onions. Then I'm putting this vinegar and green chilies. Depending on how spicy you want, this is really nice if it is spicy. So I'm putting about 1.5 teaspoons. Putting the burnt garlic now. adding some spring onion shoots. And now we'll mix in the rice. I think the vegetables are done here with all the sauces. I'm putting the rice. We'll mix it well. You can always check the salt and everything. And if you want a little more spicy, you can always add some Szechuan sauce now. A little more. I love the color already. We'll cover it for 2 minutes. For the chili honey potatoes, I've taken some potatoes and cut them into wedges shape, and I just put them in hot water for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, hot water, medium flame. Take them out. Now this is little bit of corn flour and this is rice flour, which I'm just going to mix on them. So rice flour and corn flour is what I'm mixing. And I'm going to add some salt to it. And I'm going to add just one teaspoon little water, just to give it a little moisture. And we are going to fry them in oil. So the oil is hot and I'm just going to put the potatoes one by one. We'll fry them on hot flame. They'll be very crispy because of the rice flour. Now for this, I'm going to make a sauce. So for the chili honey sauce, first we'll start with little garlic. About 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Then 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Just saute. Then 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 tomato paste. Just cook it. The tomatoes are raw, so they need to be done. Tomato paste, I'll add some pepper, salt, according to taste, and a pinch of Ajinomoto. For this, we have made the red chili sauce. I will tell you how I made this. This is an instant sauce. So I've taken red chili. We'll add later more. I think the tomatoes are cooked now. The potatoes, please see the beautiful color. It's golden color, just the way I want it. By the sound, I think you can see they are very, very crispy. That is how we want them. I'm going to add some water. A quarter cup of water. Because we are going to make a semi-gravy of the potatoes. Bring it to a boil. Add just a few drops of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. And I'm going to thicken it with the corn flour slurry. This is corn flour in water. The thinner the better, so that the gravy comes out just fine. Everything on a high flame. See how it thickens up immediately as we put the slurry. So if you can see I put around 3 teaspoons of corn flour slurry. And now, as the name says, we have to put a very important ingredient here, which is the honey. Some honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. A very nice tangy flavor with the honey. We'll mix in our potatoes now. Little tomato sauce, soya sauce, and then I added water and corn flour slurry. So please see, this is the consistency. And then I added the main ingredient, honey. So instead of sugar, you add honey to this. Now I'm adding the potatoes. They look delicious, the potatoes. Mix it well. Add spring onion shoots. Add spring onion shoots and look at the chili honey potato. They're yummy. You can make it more spicy. You can put chili flakes. You can put more chili if you want. Even the green chili sauce which we added in the rice. And I'm just going to coat it with the sesame seeds. And the chili honey potatoes are done. I'm switching off the gas. Should we taste?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Wow, yum.
So yummy. I love it. Thank you viewers for watching. I hope you liked it because this was a very tasty version of my fried rice with lots of vegetables, not the usual carrot and beans which we are so used to eating every time we order a fried rice. You can put egg in this. You can of course substitute with non-veg also. It is your choice. The chili honey potatoes, normally what we get outside, has a lot of ingredients in it. I've tried to make it very simple. I hope you enjoyed. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you once again.